running the 78 Volkswagen bus, 2-liter fuel injected. It's been running now for about 10 minutes. It is not just running on hydrogen, it is running on gasoline as well. Doing this to augment fuel economy. Using distilled water and 50% sodium hydroxide. This is the first running of it. The bus seems to be idling just fine. Yeah, come up top and look. There's the line where it gets vacuumed into the intake. You can follow the hose across to the top of the jug over there. The motor sounds like it's running normal. It's got its usual sound. This is an old engine. It's got 300,000 plus miles on it. Interestingly enough, the exhaust has gotten cooler. It is running cooler. We do have a cylinder head temperature gauge in the front of the bus. Pardon the mess. The bus is running at 235.4 degrees, climbing a little bit. Do remember this is an air-cooled vehicle though. Have a dashboard switch right there. I'll flip it off. The unit is now off. See, the amp gauge is at 0 again. Come back up here, flip the switch back on. And this should be showing amps and making some gas. Yep, you can see there. Using a little relay right here for that switch, so I don't have to run the amps all the way up front. It's on a 30 amp circuit. It's a 40 amp relay that you can buy at Advanced Auto Parts. More to come in the coming weeks, so stay tuned. Over and out.